So do you need to have symptoms in order to book a coronavirus test? Well, as you may have heard, there is currently a lot of pressure on the testing system, so please only book a test if you have any symptoms of coronavirus. The three symptoms are you have a high temperature, a new or continuous cough, or if you lose your sense of taste or smell. If you have any of these three symptoms, please self-isolate and book a test straight away. So who decides when shielding will begin? Well, you may remember at the beginning of lockdown, the government wanted to protect its most vulnerable and at-risk members of the communities and introduced shielding. This was suspended at the beginning of August and can be reactivated at any time. As the Prime Minister stated, there's no need to carry on with shielding unless you live in an area of local lockdown. If shielding is to be reintroduced into our communities, the decision will be made by the Department of Health and Social Care hand in hand with the Council. In order to avoid local lockdowns, it's really important we continue to follow the NHS advice and guidance to reduce transmission of coronavirus by wearing a mask, maintaining space, and washing your hands for 20 seconds. And what about younger people? Well, as coronavirus cases are rising, we're monitoring the data closely, and we can see that the majority of cases are in those aged between 20 to 40-year-olds. It's really important that all of us play our part in reducing the transmission of coronavirus by washing our hands, wearing a mask, and maintaining space. Unfortunately, many of those 20 to 40-year-olds will not have any symptoms and may so unwittingly pass on coronavirus to elderly relatives. So as I said, it's very important to keep following the NHS advice and guidance to limit the transmission and to keep us all safe.